welcome back to the channel. Jay here on this beautiful fall day. Gonna install these Oedro off-brand Amazon special kind of floor mats. They basically are the knockoff of the American-made version, and we'll pull these out. They're one piece. Sorry, the camera work. One piece construction. I ended up getting the four set here, as you can see. Here are the old ones, and you can see kind of the sizing. So, by comparison, the driver's side there, in comparison, and here's the passenger side comparison. So, bigger, obviously. They don't have the anchors on the passenger side, but they do have the anchors here on the driver's side. Little funny thing I noticed on the stock carpets. I don't know if anybody's noticed this. There's a little diagram down here telling you where you should put this floor mat. That's kind of hilarious. It's on this one too, the passenger. Anyway, let me go throw these in and we'll take a look at them. I'll give you my honest opinion. Alright guys, so here's what the front floor mat looks like. Sorry that's so bright from the light there, but you can see the cut-in, hopefully there, with the shadow, how it goes around the pedal. The fit's pretty nice, overall pretty good. There's a little bit of looseness here. They also cut in around this footrest here, so if you're putting your foot up there, depending on how big your foot is, I could see, stuff getting behind there. But and then there's a little lip here as well. So I noticed when I move the chair forward, it doesn't catch on this side, but on the passenger side, that does catch as you move the chair forward. I'll show you that. Like I said, here it's clear. Actually, it starts to catch over there. If you can see it, kind of depending on how short you are or how far you move it forward. All right, so back here, if we can see, cut in again, pretty good. Little bit of gap here, right there, just a little bit. So yeah, important note that when you install these, you can easily put it up to where it's over these. You might not even notice it on these tracks. You can see that how it's laying on the track over there. Probably wouldn't interfere with anything, but just in case, let's make sure it's there. So let's go to the other side. Alright, so here is the passenger side, and the fit is pretty well over here. Sorry if I'm in the shadow. Let's see if I can get a little light on that. So pretty good fit over here as well. You can see there's a little bit of a gap over there. Something else too that you can see here, there is a gap between the two, as I had kind of mentioned. See if I can do this with one hand. Sorry. So there's a gap here. You can see the way that is there, but it's lifted up. Now over time that might settle down, but maybe you don't want it to. The dilemma is that as you move the seat forward, you'll see that it absolutely is going to catch that. Now maybe you could fold it under there. Maybe it won't catch, but eventually it'll start buckling, as you can kind of see it doing there. See how it's kind of buckling up like that. So something to think about. Over here, back in the back, similar kind of thing as the other side. Pretty much same fitment as it were. So overall, these are initially they seem like they're pretty good. They're probably essentially a copy of WeatherTech or the like. There is some texturing here on this. I don't know if if you can see that there. There's some texturing. I don't know what this would be like wet. It might be slick, but it is rubber. It was fairly inexpensive. Again, that's Oedro or Oedro. I don't know. And overall, I'd say on the fitment, it's pretty much a 9 out of 10, probably 8.5, 9 out of 10. We'll see what the wear's like. I might make a second video, part 2, on kind of the wear, or if these things like this settles down or something. But they do have these little lips which will catch mud and things. On the rear, the lip isn't as pronounced, so in the back seats, back floors probably wouldn't catch as much. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you checking it out. Please like, share, and comment. Maybe you've come across these mats or other mats specifically for the Camaro or otherwise that might fit, or have better or worse aspects. Please comment below. Thanks, and be safe out there.